Monday afternoon and welcome inside First and 10. I'm Jay Crawford with a list of 10 sports topics to be debated. One of them is LeBron James, who had a big night, and there's no Skip Bayless to be seen. The man takes vacation at just the right time.
Coincidence? I think not.
Instead, we have Pat Forty from ESPN.com in, and also from the New York Post, Mark Cannizzaro. We start third down by asking a very simple question. Is
Ray Rostam
the biggest waste of money in pro sports?
Jay and Pat, he is, if I may skip on this, he is the biggest waste of money since Steve Carell and his bumbling staff over there. Can I just throw this out there? I mean, they're not going to catch anybody. And I'm not trying to be a knee-jerk guy at all, but the only way that you're going to get their attention in that clubhouse is to fire the manager.
Well, you know what? I'm a little nostalgic. I wouldn't mind seeing the boss be the boss and shed some employment blood out there, you know, show his muscle again.
To show that he's awake.
Yeah, right, exactly. But no, but time of death, no, that's too soon for this.
I mean, for crying out loud.
Yeah.
You know, he can't be pulling the strings and making the decisions here.
Hey, you know what? It's Memorial Day. Go out and have a barbecue. Go
But it's a 12.5 game deficit, Pat.
I'm not saying they're going
I tell you what, I don't know, and I think that's a pipe dream, and we'll get to that I think in a little bit. But can I just throw this out there? You know, what's bad? I mean, you know, I don't know what you did this morning, okay? For example,
I ate a donut.
You know,
Attention, chief. Attention, chief. We have donuts. We have beer. We have donut beer.
All right,
Chief.
time for today. We'll do 10 more topics tomorrow. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Jay Kaminsky, get off me.